Hi everyone, this is Anthony, the CEO of Winterwind. I'm here with Lyra, this is my COO, and
Hello.
we're gonna talk about the website services that Winterwind offers today. So let's get started.
Hi, Anthony. We know that Winterwind offers website development services. Can you talk more about that?
So one thing about Winterwind is we're a full service development agency. So we're gonna help you with the whole life cycle of your website development. So this starts off with product discussion, right? We're going to talk with you about what is the product we want to build. We're going to work with you to define the scope of work, determine all of the requirements and the expectations you have of this website. So we're able to provide those consulting services in the beginning if you need it. If you already have a well-defined scope of work and you know exactly what you want to build, and you have your wireframes ready, we can get into the design. So we do offer web design services here. We have a world-class UI designer here doing all of the website and mobile design here. If you have your own design, great, use that. If not, we're going to provide you with a world-class designer. And then the next stage is we're going to have our CSS experts. They're going to do all the front end of the website. It's going to match the design exactly. And after that, we're going to have a full stack developer come in and add the back end to the website, make it dynamic, make it data driven, database integration, APIs, whatnot. One unique thing about our agency is we are also specialized in integrating blockchain into websites and also payments integration. So any payment provider you've heard of, Stripe, PayPal, Molly, whatnot, we can help you integrate payments into your website, whether it's e-commerce site or not. We are providing you all the hosting. This is at no cost to you. So we're going to give you a staging website. We're going to host your staging site in AWS on our extra large EC2. We're going to use RDS for your database. And once you go into production and we launch your site, you can actually continue to use us for free website and database hosting services. And we're going to manage all of that. As long as you're active with our agency, we're going to provide free hosting. So that is one bonus of working with us. And finally, after we deploy your app, we're going to give you long-term support. So we're going to be there for any feature additions you might want to add after the app is launched, after the website is launched, any bugs that might come along. We're going to support your business in the long haul.
So, as a client, what if I hire Winterwind, what kind of experience can I expect?
You can expect a lot of transparency. So what we're going to do is we're going to start, I'm going to take you and maybe your project manager or anyone who's interested on your team, and myself and the developers and designers for the team. We can get everyone in a group chat, whether that's Skype or Slack or whatever. And when the developers start their shift, they're going to do a start of day update. So they're going to let you know what they're working on in the day. And then when they finish, they're going to give you a detailed end of day update outlining everything that they accomplished. They're also going to attach screenshots and potentially a video so you can see exactly what they did. And they're going to give you a link to the staging site so you can also test it if you want. The staging site is updated every day. So you're going to have, there's really no agency that works in a more transparent way than we do. So that's one thing that you can expect.
I know you were a senior PHP developer for a decade before starting this company. What PHP frameworks does Winterwind do work on?
So the go-to web framework here is Laravel. Laravel is known as a RAD framework. RAD stands for Rapid Application
Mhm.
Development. So our go-to is Laravel because we can deliver maximum value to you this way. Um, it has so many things built into it, libraries and different modules within it. You can roll out a website very fast, right? So this speed is going to let you launch your website faster, and it's also going to be cheaper because so many things are handled by the Laravel framework, from security, protection against SQL injection, CSRF protection, database drivers for all kinds of different databases, MS SQL, MySQL, Postgres. So we're going to suggest that in order to finish the website as fast as possible. However, Laravel is not the right solution for everyone. We also do websites in Node.js. Node.js is admittedly a bit more powerful framework than Laravel, and it has some library support that Laravel doesn't have. Like, for example, if we want to have Bitcoin integration in your website, there's some excellent Bitcoin SDK out there for Node.js, which is not available in Laravel. So in some cases, we will use Node.js, but if we can get away with Laravel, we will use that. And we also do WordPress customization here. We also do development with other PHP frameworks like CodeIgniter, Zend, Magento, eFramework. So there's different options here, but a lot of PHP options because of my long career as a PHP developer before starting this.
Okay. What does Winterwind use on the front end side?
Our go-to CSS framework is Bootstrap 4. However, we're recently getting involved with Tailwind, which is another CSS framework, and we've also worked with Foundation. So there's 3 different CSS frameworks we work with in order to speed up CSS development time and also to provide mobile-friendly websites. Bootstrap 4 is the go-to. And on the JavaScript side, our default JS framework is Vue.js. Again, it's just very fast to get features up and running. It has some like built-in integration with Laravel. We also use React.js if the client would prefer that instead.
A question. Do you build real-time websites using WebSockets?
We do use WebSockets here. We actually have created not
Mm,
one but 2 cryptocurrency exchanges before.
wow.
So just like you've seen with Binance, you have that real-time order book with those prices changing all the time. That's done with WebSockets. We'll set up like a Socket IO server for you here, and we'll use Socket IO to which is an open source and free WebSockets framework. And yeah, we've built 2 crypto exchanges with similar advanced order book as Binance. So we're able to provide that service here.
Okay. Can I have my website built with Node.js instead of Winterwind default of Laravel?
Yes, you can use Node.js here. It is a preference for some clients. Just know that you might encounter some increased development time with Node.js because it's not a rapid application development framework like Laravel, but it is very powerful, and it has some SDKs and libraries, which are accessible within it, which Laravel doesn't. So, different tools for different jobs, but we certainly do Node.js development as well.
Last question. In what countries does Winterwind currently have clients?
Yeah, we've got clients in a number of different countries now. Some of the big ones are USA, Canada, Australia, and we also have clients in Greece and France and United Kingdom. So we're definitely a global agency, and it's very interesting to have clients from so many different countries, and we would love to add to this list. So no matter where you're from, you can contact us, and we'll be happy to help you.
That's all. Thank you for your wonderful answers, Anthony.
Okay, thanks for the questions. See you guys next time.
See you.